guess he's really ready for me this morning. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. And there's Morris. Hi. I love it when you guys talk to me. Whoops, that's the wrong one. Here, take that one. Hi. Hi, Morris. So it's warm out here today. It's in the 60s already. And we're supposed to get up to 79 today. Let's just say 80. And we're going to be warm through Thanksgiving evening. Excuse me. I was in there hunting for a turkey a while ago. A turkey windsock on Amazon. Halloween evening. We're going to be warm through Halloween. Stripe's around here somewhere doing his morning walkabout thing. Just trying to tell you it's warm today. Don't let the fall fool you. I didn't refresh all the water this morning. I just pulled leaves out of it because A, it looked pretty good, and B, I'm going to blow when I get back. And when I blow, all it does is get the water dirty again. So I'll refresh it after I'm done blowing. I've got to do some leaf work today. Hey, Mart. Hey, Mart. Hi. Hi, sweet boy. I did pull leaves out of a bunch of stuff, though. Hi, Tux. And watered a few things that needed watering plant-wise. It's gorgeous out here. I'm a little warm. Almost short sleeves might be good enough for the walk this morning. Darn it. This tree has not peaked yet, but let me tell you, when the sun's on it and it's 100% golden yellow through the window where we sit on the love seat, it's a gorgeous tree. Well, this one right in front of us here almost looks like it's lost all its leaves, but it's the only one. Good morning, Gray. Hi. Hi. Hello. How's my sweet girl this morning? Hi. Hello. There's Mr. Mockingbird out there this morning, eating berries. Oh, there's 3 or 4 birds. There's a tufted chickadee. A tufted titmouse. I was thinking about cutting it back today. I guess I'm not doing that. We think this over here on Jed Parkway is probably part of the sidewalk enhancement / connection up to the sidewalk the next block up. There's always been this dead zone over here, so yeah, they're still working on it. Our intersection is still got some construction going. So we just left the post office, and I asked the lady, because I've fallen out of touch, how much a forever stamp is now, first class postage.
Stop for a second and see if you know what it is before she gives you the answer. Do you know how much a forever first class stamp is? Do you really know?
Do you really know? Okay, so the answer is, drum roll, 73 cents as of July 14th of this year, when it went up 5 cents from 68 cents to 73 cents. Oh my God. Now, the woman that was checking me out, because I think I actually gasped out loud, she was my age or maybe a little younger. I don't want to sell her short on how old she was, but she wasn't a student. She wasn't a young person in their 20s or something. And I just looked up at her and I said, I don't know what the lowest rate of postage was in my lifetime, but I remember 13 cents. I remember 13 cents. And Dawn says, yeah, it was 13 cents for a long time, because, you know, we got postal people, retired postal workers in our family. So you would think we would know, but Dawn, knowing now that forever stamp is 73 cents is probably not good. Right. I bought 20 of the little elves for Christmas this year. I thought I might try to send out I used to send out 100 Christmas cards every Christmas, but maybe we'll just do 20 this year. I got the elves are kind of cute, and I got the elves, and Yeah, I like postage. I mean, I like photo cards, so I need to make a photo card. But anyway, wow, 73 cents. So did I tell you guys? I think I said that I helped Johnny request his absentee ballot. And you're allowed to help. It says on there, you know, did you have somebody help you fill out this stuff or whatever? And he put his mom down. I think they asked that question. It's all fair. Just how to navigate the Board of Elections site to request the absentee ballot to his address at the school. I mean, he's a student. How else is he supposed to vote, right? So it said it came with we managed to figure out that it came with its own envelope, but it didn't say, and that you had to provide your own postage, but it didn't say the postage. Did you know that it takes not the 2 stamps that I sent Johnny with? I said just put 2 on it to be safe, or have 2 in case you need to or whatever. It's good to have one in your wallet for emergency or whatever. So, but it takes 3 forever stamps.
So
3.
That's $2.19.
What in the world kind of stock cardboard are they putting that thing on? I mean, I felt the ballot, you know, that we use that goes through the reader here, and it is a serious piece of cardstock, and it's an oversized piece of paper. It's not 8.5 by 11 is probably the legal size, or somewhere some strange size, but it's not a small thin piece of computer paper. It's a real largish piece of cardstock. But still, holding that in my hand as I walked to the thing, there's no way that's enough ounces that it took 3 stamps. Now, he did have to provide a photocopy of his ID, his valid ID. So we've made a photocopy at the house on our scanner printer and sent that back with him so he could prove who he was, and that's all good. But even with that piece of computer paper in there, how can it be 3 forever stamps? So it basically cost Johnny a fortune to vote. So, but it's the right thing to do, but still, 3. Oh, this is my second time around on the pogo loop, and I'm basically dying of heat exhaustion. It's just hot out here in the sun. I've got on a long sleeve polyester shirt. I've pushed it up to my elbows as best as I can, and that's not helping much. I told Don he probably only wanted a short sleeve shirt, so he dressed appropriately.
Yeah.
But me, not so much.
Yeah, that black's probably really good.
Yeah, it's a lot of black in this shirt too. I'm sure it's absorbing all the sun. Hi, Coco.
Stay.
Hi.
Stay. Hey, sweet boy.
Hi.
Hi.
I had my after exercise cold coffee, and now I'm gonna go blow. Blow the driveway, blow parts of the yard, make noise. But Tuck says, Mama, it's never a bad time to stop and give me some attention. Don is in a good mood. He was playing Lovely Day by Bill Withers and on the A music. And it is a lovely day. The rest of them must be around here somewhere. Speaking of, hi. I blew, and the trees are replenishing. I don't know how long I've been out here, but I did 2 full batteries in a little bit, and I'm done. I didn't need another battery, but yeah, I've definitely had a workout for today. Right, Tux? Tux and Marty didn't really appreciate the noise, but they're okay. Stripe's inside. He went in, and I told him that was a good idea to stay until Mama was done with the blower. These guys just move away from it. They're not terrified of it, so that's good at least. But Morris and Stripe pretty much not pleased. You got a crooked, yeah, little whisker. Hey, bud, good boy. I'll cool off with him for a minute and then go inside. I got more to do. And I'm not going to trim the beautyberry today. I'm sure I should. I'm going to have 5,000 beautyberry saplings. but might already be too late anyway. But I can't take if the birds are eating on it, I can't take it. I'm going to work on Lego for a bit, and I'm going to start by putting together a few of these compartments, maybe 8 of them or something. I got on a roll and I built all of them. I guess you figured that was probably going to happen. Now I'm going to pick up where I left off on the actual castle. The first floor is done, and it's time to start working on the floor part of the second floor. As it turns out, there was a little more top off dressing to do for the first floor. And the next thing it does is actually builds a little piece that sets in here to finish this area off. So the floor is not even next, but it's coming, and I'm at a really good stopping point, and the lasagna's heated up. Yes, that's 3 nights in a row, but we're happy enough to have it, so it's all good.